Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on TCL 408. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. In the top search, enter Microsoft Edge. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this browser. First thing is introduction. You can read through it to learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Now we can customize a homepage with wallpaper, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Here, sign in to turn on synchronization between other Microsoft Edge browsers and devices. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Accept or disagree with the data sharing and then click on confirm. Now the browser is ready. We can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.